Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our video series on Korean homonyms, words that sound the same but have completely different meanings. Many Korean learners, especially beginners, they get confused by these words and therefore it becomes really important for us to understand all these homonyms in Korean language. So today we are continuing with part 3 where we look at 10 more Korean homonyms that you'll hear very often in daily Korean. So if you have not watched the previous 2 parts of this series yet, then don't worry, I'll share the link of the playlist consisting of videos on Korean homonyms in the description, so it becomes easy for you to have access to all those videos. Now, understanding these will not only improve your vocabulary, but will also help you avoid misunderstandings and sound more natural when speaking Korean. So, stay with me till the end and let's make Korean a little less confusing. Let's begin. So here comes the first homonym, kisa. Kisa. Now there are 3 different meanings of this Korean word. Kisa can mean driver or knight or article. Okay, so there are 3 meanings of this word. It could mean a driver as a bus driver or car driver, taxi driver, like taxi kisa, a taxi driver. It could mean a knight as in a soldier. Okay, in the medieval times or in historical periods when there were knight soldiers, a kind of soldier. And kisa could also mean article, any newspaper article or journal article. So that article is also referred as kisa. Okay. Next comes the word pyo. Pyo. It has 2 meanings. Pyo means ticket, as in a movie ticket or a ticket for watching any sport, a ticket to any stadium. And it can also mean vote, the vote that we cast during elections, in political elections or various other elections. So pyo can mean ticket and it could also mean vote. Next is 거리. 거리. Again, it has 2 meanings. 거리 can mean distance, the distance between 2 places. And it can also mean street. Next comes the word 톨. 톨. Now, 톨 can mean first birthday, that is the first birthday of a baby. It can also be called 첫 톨. 첫 톨. 첫 means first in Korean. But more commonly, you'll see that first birthday is called 톨. Okay? And it can also mean stone. Stone in Korean is also 톨. Right? So remember, first birthday is 첫 톨. But more commonly, it is referred as 톨. And stone is also called 톨 in Korean. Next is 있다. 있다, a very, very common Korean verb. It has 2 meanings, to have or to be at a place or location. Okay, so if you have to say, I have a book, then you use the verb 있다 in the sentence. Okay, for example, I have a book in Korean is going to be 저는 책이 있어요. Okay, and the another meaning of 있다 is to be at a place. For example, you have to say, I am at school. So 저는 학교에 있어요. Alright, so this is how we use this verb in 2 different ways. Next is 가지. 가지. It has three different meanings. Kaji could mean branch, the branch of a tree. It could also mean eggplant, which is a kind of vegetable. And it could also mean the counter for kinds or types of things. Okay, the counter word for kinds or types of things is kaji. For example, you have to say 5 kind of bread. Pang 5가지. Okay, this is how you use kaji as a counter word. Next comes the word michida. Michida. It has two meanings. It could mean to be crazy. For that, we use michida. And it can also mean to reach, as in to reach a certain level. All right. For that, you also use michida. Okay. Next is yongi. Yongi. It has two meanings. One is smoke. The Korean word for smoke is yongi. And the word for acting in Korean is also yongi. Now you can very easily identify when yongi means smoke and when it means acting, because they are two drastically different words in English, right? So you won't get confused. It's just for you to remember that yongi has two meanings. Next comes the word thing. Thing. It has two meanings. One is back, the back of our body, the body part I'm talking about. Back in Korean is thing. And the Korean word for etc. is also thing. Like in English, suppose you have to say all the fruits that are visible in this fruit basket. So how you're going to say? There are apples and grapes and peaches and strawberries, etc. Right? Now in Korean, it will be something like this. 사과, 포도, 배, 딸기 등. Okay? So 등 comes in the end to denote etc. All right, I hope you understand. So there are two meanings for thing. One is back, as in the back of our body, and the second meaning is etc. All right, now comes the word 계산하다. 계산하다. It has two meanings. One is to pay. Okay, the verb to pay in Korean is 계산하다. And to calculate is also 계산하다. Okay, so both of these verbs, they are called 계산하다 in Korean. All right, so in this video we learned 10 Korean homonyms. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.